This is a squad which has been defined by character and pride over the years. Oo, masipag talaga. Hindi kalakihan pero laging palaban. But ngayon, Lyceum just taking it strong to them in the lead 2 sets to 1 and 20-12 here in the fourth.
Well, if it's any consolation, this is only their first game. Santrong misses the board. Unang game pa lang ito. Maraming adjustments. Mapapanood ni Coach Mami Dulce ang tape nito and she said, this is what we did wrong. But again, this is a major wake-up call for Adamson na yung Lyceum, a team that they used to dominate, all of a sudden is now dominating them.
Well, they also have to think, talking about Lyceum, itong si Tip Santro, made a lot of things happen for them. 20 against 14, 6 points away are the Lady Falcons.
And look at this triple header Thursday, ladies and gentlemen. Adamson taking on St. Benilde in our first game starting at 2 p.m. FEU against St. LaSalle at 4 p.m. And Southwestern University taking on USTLR 6 p.m. game. Dito lang po yan sa arena. So you can catch all the action of the 7th season of the Shakey's V-League. Service error.
Masakit yan. Masakit yan. Bahagya na silang kumakain sa kalamangan dito ng Lady Pirates. And suddenly the veteran Nene Bautista committing that service error. 21 points already here for the Pirates.
Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nicolette Tabafunda. Great game as the setter para sa Lyceum, para dito kay Tabafunda sa Paulina Soriano.
There was a gap in that defensive cover by Lyceum at Paulina Soriano. Talagang not giving up. 15-21, Adamson serving.
Yung mahirap dito sa Lyceum, they cannot relax.
Hindi pwede, baka makadikit.
Pag natalo sila dito sa 4th set na to, you can guarantee that Adamson's gonna come out firing in the 5th set. Ayaw na paabutin ni Emil Lontok yan ng 5th set. Benting, turn back. Daming defensive hands being put up here by Lyceum, and this is the key to their success.
Once again, Guliman's playing that starring role sa sinabi mong defensive success ng Lady Pirates. 22 for Lyceum, 15 for Adamson.
And Guliman takes a rest. Carmela Morales comes back in. 3 points away from their first victory here in the Shakey's V-League Season 7. And that one goes out from Morales.
Napakamot si Coach Emil.
Serve specialist niya eh.
Nanggigil lang, nanggigil.
Now Paulina Soriano. Still a chance here for Adamson, ha?
Generate enough momentum.
Yung body language sila saying na wala na to. But there's still a chance. And that time, Santrong just cannot do anything wrong here anymore.
Well, she cannot, especially if the defense, sa depensa, that nice drop shot, 23 for the white shirts, 16 for the blue shirts.
There's Patilano in the air for Benting. This is one of the performances that Benting would like to forget about. Same with Bautista, actually. Dalia Cruz, Gata, Patilano. Benting to the defense. Finally, a scorer in double figures for Adamson.
Normally, this type of production coming from Benting, she can get in only 2 sets. Pero ngayon, yung kanyang total output is an accumulation of 4 sets already. So, mababa yan for real life.
Dalia Cruz, saved there by Patilano. Oh, and Bautista gets it. Hey, hold on, this is a 5-point lead. Although they're 2 points away to Lyceum from taking this match. They cannot relax here,
Ano napapalingon na rin sa scoreboard nitong mga Lady Pirates.
Benting. And if there's anybody with a never say die attitude dito, it's Angela Benting. Gata. Patilano. Bautista. Teka muna.
Lead down to 4.
23-19. Bautista able to watch it through. Dalia Cruz. And Jamie Peña that time. Benting. Cases. Antena. Teka muna.
Down to 3.
Emil Lontok still has one more timeout if he wants to use it. He's probably reserving it. If Adamson scores there again, you definitely hear the timeout buzzer go off. Tabafunda. Cruz. Benting. Capilano. Bautista.
Down to 2. Matapos to. 22-21. This is a different story here. The latter part of the fourth set.
And Benting has to be perfect on these serves. Santrong. Tabafunda. Cases. And great coverage there by Santrong. They go back to Joy. Off the block. Capilano is there. Tinlog. Bautista. Here's the setup now for Cases on the delay. Nice kick that time by Bautista. Lata gives it up. Dalia Cruz, yes!
Some cushion here. Pressure release. Courtesy of Dalia Cruz. They needed that.
They need the leadership of Dalia Cruz at this late stage. And if you want to talk about leadership, here's the former captain, Saivige Hernandez, who has not seen much action today. But she is back.
Dito nagsimula yung habol ng Adamson eh.
Right.
Yung designated server nagkaroon ng error. Nabuhayan dito ang Lady Falcons at nasunod-sunod sila ni Eli Bentin doon sa kanyang service.
Wow! What a server! And it ends with Saivige Hernandez, who only saw action briefly in the first set. Putting it away with a service ace. 25-21. Lyceum wins 4 sets, 3 sets to 1.